response from the IGP ever settle this matter? Because IGP say his men and the security task force, they are ready to protect Obi Okwakotraba. And in fact, utie the arrangement also my identify say collation centers no na confusion isi. Inti omo make sure say there will be a standard collation center commission no edebema. Omni commission no atna se di nkomo. They will provide commission may provide a standard collation center. Even within that, yes, also a fenced. A fenced according to the IGP. Now omu who say never say school environmental. There's a fence wall before the compound. Nti mono a monye ni bibia ye ewo collation ho no. You are not supposed to go beyond the fence wall. Say we party ni na wunya opportunity ebi a constituency executive, regional executive, and also we agent na wura mu a there is another facility a on be provide and also a gate dam. What you say? Nti say your quality electoral areas and also police station there ewo constituency collation center moba na ye dia konwa si ho ye frɛ wa no awuram na do results and also we data ko na ya compile na ya hwɛ agent ni na hwɛ na bibia akoso kama but so ye wadwen so be me masem ho dia then they will deal with you. IGP assurance or the man Ghana for Enra
as the National Election Security Task Force comprising all the security agencies for the Ghana Police Service as the lead agency and by extension the Inspector General Police as the chairperson of the task force. We want to ensure the elections will be very peaceful because of the measures we put in place. So Ghana, feel free, Ghanaians, feel free and live your life normal. We have your back. You've seen that all the by-elections you have in this country has been very peaceful. You've seen that all other elections, including district assembly elections that we have in this country, has been very peaceful. We have also seen that all the internal elections of all the political parties have also been very peaceful. In addition to that, the instances of pocket of selected violence have also been dealt with in accordance with law, mercilessly in accordance with law, where we go after the people involved, get them arrested and put them before the court. There are a few of them still out there, but we have not stopped looking for them. And they know, but they should know this. For how far can you run? For how long can you hide? Because we will not forget you. Because when we forget you, we give you the opportunity to come back and do the things that you do again. So as long as we have put you in our records, that you are somebody we are looking for, we will pursue you until we find you. The only thing that will stop us from pursuing you is not being the person person. You've seen that it is during coalition that some of the critical issues of insecurity do happen. And for that matter, we are currently working with the EC to come out with standard coalition centers in a way that security will be paramount, such that at the end of the day, these difficulties that we have where you go to coalition center and it's free for all, where you go to coalition center and it's so disorganized and everybody wants the attention of the other and we don't know who to attend to, will stop. So we are finalizing it, but to give you a gist of it, is the fact that most of these coalition centers are going to be in a fence wall environment with a gate, where invitation, where entrance to the place will be by people who are supposed to be there, the media, civil society, observers, party persons, candidates, their agents, and everybody who's supposed to be where he's supposed to be will be the people who have access into the compound of that fence wall environment.
And that is the IGP, COP Dr. George Akufu Dampare. The assurance or the ama enono. if you are calling on the IGP say ɔhwɛ biribiara so a IGP nso so say the men are ready, the men are ready to protect obiara okotoa ba ema uyam nhihyew Pauli atena se
good morning
atade wanto
oh metoi na me pentema no pay na me late kakra
ezo yo mo amsa no papa na omo amsa no pa no tom nta no kan we
say unya time
there be time
unya time
eno akɔhe eno anwumere ya nyema bato ntina wofi basa me manfa atade a
yese ofi funu ani a hunu sama
ai me mfi nko
atare we kra de
tie me yie
we kra de me birthday no bi to be che me
eno de